Hi, this is Paul with Promisec, and in this short video, we're going to walk you through the integration between HP ArcSight SIEM solution and Promisec's Endpoint Management Solution, or EDR, Endpoint Detection and Remediation Solution. Promisec and Performanta have announced their joint collaboration to have combined interoperability between both HP ArcSight SIEM solution and Promisec's Endpoint Manager solution to coexist in a customer's enterprise ecosystem. This integration allows SIEM correlations engines to operate with better accuracy. And what that means simply to the effect is SIEMs are great at correlating information. And if we marry that with Promisec's endpoint management solution that gives you the visibility and the data you need, you can then take the information and pass it directly into the HP ArcSight solution. This video allows Promisec Endpoint Manager admins to integrate the endpoint information automatically into HP ArcSight solution via the HP ArcSight connector. This integration was developed by Performanta's consulting and services team. Let's have a look. When we take a look, this is the Promisec Endpoint Manager Solutions primary management screen. Here we can see we have sentries deployed worldwide, and in this use case, we see that we have specific configurations targeting different endpoints and querying for different information. Here we're doing a compliance check. Here we're doing a cyber check, checking the MD5s or SHA-1 256 hashes, having them scored by Boris total, and then placing it back into the Promisec console. But at the same time, we have the capability to go ahead and take that information via the connector and have it not only put into our solution, but also into the HP ArcSight solution. So let's take a further look into what we can see. And as you can see, there's many results, lots of moving parts coming into that screen. When we take a look, we're going to go over to the ArcSight console and take a look. And as you can see, we're using, the connector we're using is the demo Promisec's FlexTime database connector. Here we can see the actual events coming into the Promisec solution. I mean, the HP ArcSight solution from Promisec. We're gathering the information and then we're seamlessly, automatically sending it to the ArcSight solution so the correlation engines can do their jobs, correlating and getting good amounts of data in there. If we wanted to take a look, we can also look and drill down into the actual configuration of the connector. We can also look at the event inspector and see what's in there as well. And as you can see, the information is there. And we can also look at the active channel of the information that's being brought in. So very much we enrich the solution and we complement what goes on in the enterprise. We request that you can contact us for more information, and to see a further demo, you can contact Promisec or reach out to Performanta, which is a preferred distributor, partner, and service integrator for Promisec worldwide. Well, thanks for listening, and stay tuned for further videos to come out from Promisec and Performanta. Thanks.